and wifey tag team on this one. And here we go.
I gotta get a masher.
Huh?
I gotta get a masher.
What's that? Mashed bananas?
Yeah, or just potato with anything.
Yeah, that's true. Probably helpful. Okay, so we got 2 cups of pancake mix. And here's the one that I use. I use one from Aldi's. So we're making 2 servings here. So 2 cups of that. We're gonna use 1 cup of your favorite protein. Then we're gonna use 6 eggs. Probably need some more eggs. Struggling, baby?
Very much so.
Why don't you put some water into it? 6 eggs. 4. Out of eggs. Get some more eggs. 6 eggs. You could use also egg whites if you'd like to, but they're not gonna come out as fluffy. Baking soda. You probably like making this mess. That's what you like more, probably. Baking powder, not soda, guys. Baking powder. Don't mess that up. So what's the difference between baking powder and baking soda? One rises, one. What is the purpose of that one?
That's a good question. If I bake more.
We're definitely not bakers here. If we bake more, we'll probably be more fat. So probably eat most of that. Then we're gonna mix it all together.
Got a cramp.
Any forearms?
My wrist.
Mix it up, flick of the wrist, baby. You gotta use flick of the wrist.
I'm working on that.
Don't add any water into it until you see the consistency of it. And then add water to it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Let's add some water to the bananas.
No, to this stuff. You're gonna have to add water, man.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Well,
Then you add 1 cup of water. Water. Did you hear me, buddy? Lucky was sleeping, but I think he's awake. Is he awake? Oh, he's up. He's ready to go. She's gonna get Lukey. So that's it. Oven's ready at 400 degrees. Mix it all up. Stir it up. Add the bananas in there. You got 6 bananas in here. 6 bananas, nice and white and sweet. And mix it up again. Mix it real good, guys. Mix it real good. Make sure the chunks and everything all mixed together. But don't spill it everywhere. Good form work already. And how to decide how many macros are in here or what's the calories amount? Add all ingredients into MyFitnessPal where it says create your own meal, and then divide it in how many servings you want. The topping wise, it's up to you. What we're gonna use actually is some nuts that we bought like 2 months ago. We still haven't finished it. They're amazing, sweet.
that was the cutest thing ever.
Look who's up.
He dropped his I voted today sticker on the floor. I gave it to him, he put it on his shirt.
Aw, you voted today, buddy?
Proud.
You voted?
I'm proud.
That's right.
Yeah.
You have a nice nap? Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
What are you making, huh?
So we got bread here. Yeah. And then we need, also one more thing we need, guys, is 1/4 of a cup of oats. So that's for one serving, 1/3. So you need 2/3 for 2 servings. Okay, so be right back. We have oats, 2/3 of a cup. Mix it on in here. Mix it all together. What's up, buddy? You have a nice nap? So we're gonna bake this and chill. While it's baking, we're gonna watch some TV. So that's gonna be our Sunday kind of day as a family, because we don't get those a lot, so we're gonna take advantage of it today. All right, so we got that ready. This is going to wash.
Looks good.
We got 2 containers. There's maybe 2 servings of it. So this is gonna last us through the week. And what you're gonna do is just simply pour inside the containers. Oh yeah, selfie stick, must need that. Pour in here. Half in here, then another half in here. Don't overspill because you put baking powder in there, so if you put it all the way up, it's gonna overspill and then it creates a mess. We don't want a mess with you, right?
No mess.
No mess.
No.
All right, so that's that. Now, put this away. Yeah. All right, so that's in. All right, for toppings, guys, don't put the toppings in just yet. Let it harden up a little bit so it actually ends up on top. Because if you put the toppings on right now, boom, they'll be at the bottom. And it's not gonna be real toppings, it's gonna be bottoms, you know? Me personally, I like to play the top. The bottoms of you guys, you can put toppings at the bottoms, if you catch my drift. All right, so oven's ready. We're gonna take these, shove it in the oven for 15 minutes, then put some toppings on it. And if you guys want it glazed, I'm gonna show you how to make them glazed. I'm really good at glazing things.
I know.
Look, you're so
Dad.
young, you don't understand it.
Something
You are
else.
not a glaze, definitely not a glaze. All right, so it's going in, guys. So oven, our beautiful oven, beautiful kitchen, right there. It's about to go in.
Yeah, that's a base. Base.
400 degrees.
Bye.
Bye. See you when you baked. 20 minutes. Timer. Oh. Clear. 22. Oh, that job is clear. 20 minutes. Boom. 20 minutes on. Meanwhile, here's what we're gonna do. Here's the game plan, baby. Game plan is clean this shit up. We're gonna clean this up and then crunch those nuts. Take a little bag, mush them all together, put them on top. After it's done a little bit, we're gonna drink some water. Yes, stay hydrated, but that's gonna be the plan. And we see you guys in 20 minutes. All right, so now we took one of them out because we want to put some nuts as a topping. So we took some nuts, crushed them up, and then we're just gonna spread them on top. And that's gonna be our toppings. And see how it rised a little bit, which is perfect. Oh yeah, you're here. Oh yeah, the rest of meat. Okay. So that's the nuts, and then you put it back in there for the rest of the time, and then the pumpkin bread will sit and it'll be done. All right. All right. So pumpkin bread without toppings, with some nuts. Nuts. I'm gonna get the nuts. It's done, so I'm gonna check if it's completely cooked through. clean. Gotta get clean because the toppings, I want this one to sit so it's gonna be a little bit more moist. But let it sit for a little bit, let it sit for an hour, and then we'll get a cup or shredded cup. Alright, so this is the finished product. Pumpkin bread. A little pumpkin.